Presenting the 2011 Mazda 3i. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include driver door bin, MP3 decoder, power windows, occupant sensing airbag, driver vanity mirror, reclining front bucket seats, and speed sensing steering. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.